How to link Ubisoft to Steam account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily link Ubisoft to Steam account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Ubisoft Connect website or Ubisoft Connect app on your laptop. And once you have opened it, simply click on your profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply click on Settings. Now here on the left sidebar, simply click on Others. Now here simply navigate to the account linking section, and here you will see a checkbox labeled Remind me of account linking next time I launch a Steam game. So make sure that this option is checked. And now you can scroll up and click on Restart Ubisoft Connect, or you can simply close the app and start it again. And once restarted, simply go back to the Steam and select Change Account. And this will close Steam, but when you log back in and launch the game, your Ubisoft account will automatically link to your Steam account. And restarting both Ubisoft Connect and Steam ensures everything syncs correctly. And now you simply have to download your Ubisoft through Ubisoft Connect app, and it should seamlessly link with your Steam account. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.